now, let's move on to our next test, which is the back stick test. The purpose of back stick test is to measure the ability to balance in a stationary, upright position using a small base of support. The equipment needed are stick in 1 by 1 inch or 12-inch, and then 2.54 by 2.54 centimeter by 30.48 centimeter. The next one we need is the floor tape and also the stopwatch. Good morning everyone, and for today's we're going to perform the one of the agility test, which is the shuttle run test. The purpose of this is to measure the speed and change of direction. The equipments needed are tape. The next one is the wooden blocks or cones. Or you can use your phone as your stopwatch.